The Mermaid Club's pretty exclusive. Let's see if you pass the test. Now it's Barbie's turn. Sorry, Barbie. No party for you.
No.
Oh, don't cry.
Look!
All you need is a kiss from a magical fish. Oh, how could this get any worse? Well, that answers that. Quick, what you need is a straw. It'll suck out the bottom feeders. Now for those pimples. Wait, those aren't pimples, they're pearls.
Wow!
Add them to some string. And you've got yourself a necklace. You're a real mother of pearl. Ugh, something smells fishy. We need something to freshen your breath. Oh, it's gotta be here somewhere. Aha! It's in the treasure chest. An electronic toothbrush. One made just for mermaids. Add paste. And it's time to scrub a dub-dub. Now your teeth and necklace match. Uh-oh, just look at your nose. Our wax stick should clear things up. Just add some wax on top. Now pull. Just don't forget, we're only halfway done. Okay, let's do a quick mirror check. Ooh, I've never seen lips so chapped. Let's brush away all that dead skin. Well, not bad, but we can do better. Aha! A fish lip plumper. Deja vu. Oh, move on and pucker up. See? Told you it was worth it. Oh no! Your mascara's running! Sorry. Probably should have said something. It's okay. Just grab a shell and add our special concoctions. Soon, you'll have a soapy shell. This'll help smooth things out. Ooh, works a little too well. Don't panic! What you need is a quick snack. And save those bones. After all, they're silicone. More importantly, they're the perfect eyebrow stencils. Wow, you're the catch of the day! But she's too smart for hooks. Oh no! A net! Her only weakness! Actually, it's not a bad look. Just add some makeup and it gets a fishnet texture. Now add glitter. There's always room for glitter. Especially for that fresh-kissed look. Now let's add some special mermaid foam. Come on, we're gonna need a lot. No, we're not shaving her head. We're using it to add some color. Ah, blue, the color of the sea.
Wow!
Next, we'll need to blow dry, so we're gonna need some air. Come on, pufferfish, do your thing. Wow, your hair looks great!
Wow!
But we're just getting started.
Yes!
Now let's add some jewels for when you really want to sparkle. But now for the big moment, your legs! Why don't we try a trash bag? This might take some practice. Now for some fins. What else can we add? Let's look in this treasure bag. What's inside? Glitter. Well, pour it on. Wow, it really matches your hair.
Yay! Ew!
Now let's fix up those hands. Cover your arms with tights. And make some finger holes. Now you've got webbed armbands. Ooh, a silver fish! Grab it! Those sequin scales can come in handy. Cover up your armbands, and they'll really start to shine. Oh, Mr. Bones wants to help. He's giving you his captain hat. Arr. But we need just a small part. Decorate with your favorite shells and all sorts of sea treasures. It's your brand new tiara. What the? Are you all right? Gummy bears. Add soda. And stir it all up together.
Yay!
Now pour it into a fishtail mold. Add the straw and it's a lollipop. It's a mermaid's favorite treat. Want seconds?
Yo ho ho!
How about this gummy eyeball? Just don't forget, you are what you eat. Everything's coming together, except those nails. It's okay, the clam has a secret treasure. Fake nails! Let's try them on. And add some tiny shells on top.
Wow!
Always keep your treasures on hand. Now let's go see those mean mermaids and show them the real queen of the sea. These snobby sirens can't believe their eyes. Be nice, girls, and she might share her beauty secrets. But first, let's dance. Everybody join in. I just knew she'd make waves someday. Ooh, someone's got a new fish. So let's make a new aquarium. Add some seaweed. and a lot of water. Now welcome to your new home. Oh, what's going on here? Ah, I see. We're painting with a balloon. And making dandelion shapes. Oh, your doll's gonna love this.
Wow!
Next up, we're gonna need some tights. Fill it up with stuffing. Also, get stuffing. Tie it up, and your doll's got a brand new bed. Let's tuck her in for a good night's sleep. Ooh, a candy toilet! This is a candy toilet, right? Well, if you really need a bathroom, I'm sure we can whip something up. Make it nice and soft and add some laundry gel. Whoops, almost forgot the most important part. And its name is toilet paper.
Oops!
Just need to roll up a few squares. Cut them up for a bunch of rolls. These are going on the rack. Time for a walk. Oh, forgot the stairs. Let's start with an old paper stand. Make some slices and add some steps. Look, it fits right in the holes. Now for some color. And glitter. Why don't you step right up? That's enough walking for now. We could clean up all this goop, but it's more fun to scoop it up and make it into dino shapes. Now that we've got them in shape, some glue will help them keep it. Let's add a little something on top. For your new mini table. Fancy tea set sold separately.
Wow!
Oh, ice cream! Make sure to save the container. We can add some earring studs on the side. Add a white cover, and it's a bathtub. One complete with a chain and drain. Now for the faucet. And some water. And if you really want to feel fancy, why not add some rose petals? Come on, keep it coming. Ooh, a paper clip. And with a few twists, it's a new hanger. And when it comes to hangers, you need something for them to hang off of. Not to mention something to hang. Good thing we've got all these clothes around. Dreams do come true. We've got a horse. Let's customize. Why, when we're through, it'll be a horse of a different color. Or should I say, colors. The whole rainbow. With a few add-ons, it's a rocking unicorn. So let's get rocking and rolling. Careful where you step. Oh, Your poor socks!
Ew.
Well, we can make some new footwear. Add some clay and make some slices. Now for some nice faux fur trimmings. Remember, if the shoe fits, wear it. Ooh, it's a brand new television! But first, an ice tray full of animals. Add glue to make some cubes. Give it time to dry, and it's our brand new TV stand and a real icebreaker. Next up, take an old wire and bend it into shape. You can make a pretty profile. Add some little lights around it. And you can really light up a room. Ooh, careful, that chair's missing a leg. Some old shoes can fill up the space. And why stop there? Cover it in shoes. It's a great excuse to go shoe shopping. Oh, they don't make shelves like they used to. Here's what to do. Get an empty shampoo bottle. Cut off one of the sides. And cover the rest with tissue paper. Some sturdy pieces of nail file will be just the shelves we need. Now cover them up with knickknacks. After all, that's what shelves are for. What a cute little washing machine. And look, a sponge. Let's cut it up. Cover it up with some soft material. And add some legs on the bottom. Now let's add something around the rim. It's a tiny seat for your tiny friends. It's always good to stay hydrated. And if you save your bottle caps, maybe add some toothpicks or sticks. Dip it in some paint. And you've got a new stool. Let's make a whole bunch. Wow, what pretty crystal earrings. If you have a bunch, lie them down and roll them up. Now pour some glitter on top. And hang up your new chandelier. Is that an old Valentine? Let's cover it up with pom-poms. And make it a new footrest. Wow, this place is really coming together. Well, no time like the present for the grand tour. All new stuff, and it's all homemade. And that was just one floor. Sure, maybe the bathroom could use a few walls. But this shows that with a little imagination and hard work, any place can become your very own dream house.